How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Joyce here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make keto garlic bread from scratch. I'm gonna show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by one of my longtime subscribers, John Moxley. Thank you, John Moxley, for your video recommendation. This is for you and everyone else around the world. And if you have a video recommendation, leave it in the comment section down below. If it's a good idea for a video, I'll make a video on it and give you credit right in that video. And as always, check the description of this video. I have the recipe and all the ingredients are listed below with the associated links to Amazon, just in case you need to get them in order to make this amazing recipe. All right, so let me show you how to make this keto garlic bread from scratch. All right, here we go. All right, we're gonna start off with our dry ingredients first. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot starch, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of real salt, 1 1/4 cups of almond flour, and 1/2 cup of psyllium husk. Let's combine the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Now let's add the wet ingredients. We've got 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 1/4 cups of hot water, 2 tablespoons of melted butter and minced garlic, and 2 eggs, and mix until combined. Alright, let's transfer this onto a baking pan lined with parchment paper. We have our baking pan here and our parchment paper. Let's lay the mixture right in the center of the parchment paper. Alright, with some wet hands, let's just mold the dough into the pan. Alright, the dough's been shaped perfectly. Now let's put it into the oven, preheating at 375 degrees for approximately 45 minutes to an hour. Looks great. Now we're going to let this cool for approximately 1 hour before we slice into it. Alright, it's been about an hour, so now we're going to slice into the bread. Wow, looks like a nice loaf of bread. Nice garlic bread. Alright, for the moment of truth, let's slice it open. Wow. Look at that bread. It's like real bread. It's got the garlic pieces in there too. Wow, this looks delicious. Wow, look at that bread. Nice and soft on the inside and moist and crispy on the outside. This looks great. Look at that bread. This looks like a real nice bread. Look at these slices. Now you could toast these up if you want, put some butter on it. We're just gonna try it plain. All right, now for a taste test. All right, look at this garlic bread, sliced to perfection. Take a look at that. I mean, this looks like real bread. Man, look at that. It's dense in the middle and crispy on the bottom and top. Wow, it smells amazing, like garlic bread. All right, let's try it. Man, that is so good. That is delicious. This might be the best bread I've ever made. I taste the garlic, I taste the butter. It's just delicious. What an amazing bread. You could probably fool your non-keto friends with this. You could toast it up, put some butter on it, make sandwiches out of this. This is incredible. If you want it a little bit larger, if you want a larger loaf, you can definitely do it. Just double all the ingredients in the description. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 recipes I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your day. Metroid signing out.